Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 4a, and let me show you how to create and how to use a second separate space on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let me tap settings. Let's scroll down, and here under system and device you should find the second space. Let's tap it. And creating a separate space on your phone using second space is like having two devices. So let me try it. Let me tap turn on second space right here. And the device is creating a second space. Let's wait a few seconds. Now the phone is switching into the second space. And that's it. As you can see, now you are in the second space. So you've got all apps from the first space, but you can, for example, do some things that will be saved only on this space. So it's a very useful tool. You can also set up this space by tapping upper bar and by tapping setup second space. And here you can, for example, add a password protection to this second space. Let me do it. Let's choose set second space password. Now you have to choose. If you have the first space password, let's do it. Let's confirm your password and let's tap set. Now you have to draw your unlock pattern for a second space. So in my case it could be something like that. Let's do it again just for confirmation. Tap confirm, and that's it. Now you can enter second space using the password. So let's tap next. You can import some photos if you wish. You can also import files, apps, and you're all set. Tap OK. And now here we've got the second space settings that you can use and change, the second space password that you can change, notifications, and some other data. That's it. This is your second space. If you would like to go back to the first one, let's use the upper bar and choose go to first space, and the device is turning into the first space. Let's wait a few seconds. You have to confirm the first space password. And now you may use your device in a first space. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.